Hey, my prepper posse. Oh, thank goodness for the excavator and DWD Jeepster. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We went to work. He was able to clear it up. As you can see, I think he's assessing some of the damage to the shower. But boy, an excavator is absolutely something that is needed on your land. I mean, no doubt. It's cold. Thank you for men. We appreciate men so much. You don't even understand. I'm gonna heat up this bus by cooking and make some squash and get some rest, because we had interrupted sleep from this tree issue. Onward and upward, huh? Enjoy your day and don't forget to play. See you.